Mr. William, thank you very much for joining us on PTV World.
Thank you very much for inviting me.
Our heartfelt condolences to all the Christian community on a very sad demise of Pope Benedict. Of course, he was hugely respected by all the Christian community and all the people across the world. He was well known for his generosity and wiseness. What do you have to say about it?
First of all, thank you very much for your condolences. And it is really it's a sad news for the whole Christian community in the world, especially 1.3 billion Catholics all around the world. They are very sad, and with the whole church in the world, we are really sad because we have lost a great man. Though he was a 95-year-old, but he was a great theologian. Theologian means he guided the people in a faith. Like he guided the whole world, especially the Catholic Church, in a spiritual and in an academic way. That is why we are all sad, because we lost a kind of historical person, legend, and the one era is ended with his death.
Of course, thank you very much, Mr. William, for joining us on PTV World.